Hey Patriot families, I'm Miss Darian, the theater teacher at Michelle Obama, and I'm going to show you how to make high quality videos in your own home with 3 easy steps. Up first, lighting. If you have a ring light at home or a light that has a dial on it, you can use it to make your light higher or lower, however you need. One thing to watch out for is to make sure that it's not too dark so you can't see, and also to make sure it's not washing you out and too bright. Another easy lighting trick is you can take a light that you already have and you can move it further away from you for less light or closer to you for more light. Lights you have at home or a ring light are great, but really the best form of light is daylight, so you can film close to a window. Next up, sound. Sound is pretty easy, but it is so important. A really easy thing for having really good sound is making sure that you turn off everything that hums, like this. Instantly, my video sounds way better. This is fans, air conditioners, anything that makes white noise while you're filming. You might also have to tell your family members, quiet on the set! Or just be quiet, I'm filming while you're filming. At least that's what I do. If you're filming a scene and just talking, the microphone in your device should be good enough to pick up your sound. You might have to project a little, but an easy thing to do is to do a sound check. So just say a couple of your lines, then watch it back, see how it sounds. If you're not loud enough, talk a little louder. If you're singing, however, you should use headphones of some sort. What you can do is just put your headphones in your ear and the microphone from your headphones will pick up your sound way better. This is only really needed if you're singing though, or if your teacher specifies that that's the sound that they want. The last thing on our list is framing. Your teacher should tell you what the framing should look like, and framing is just how you look on screen. So whether you're supposed to be really, really far away in a wide shot, or really, really up close in a close-up. If you look at how the drawing looks, and then you can just match yourself to what the drawing looks like. The most important thing with framing is if your camera is horizontal or vertical. The way I remember what horizontal is and vertical is I think of the horizon line from the ocean, and the sun comes up over the horizon line, which means horizontal, which means turn to the side. When in doubt, film it horizontally because we can change it to vertical later. Last thing, have fun. Anything you create is going to be amazing because you made it.